Students, today I will be taking a grammar class of class 2. Okay, and the chapter today I will do again, that is chapter number 19, go, goes, do, does. That is completed. The chapter is completed in your online class, and today I am repeating it once again. Okay, go, goes, do, does. So open page number 49 of your grammar book, and let's see. Now we have done all the exercises, and let's repeat it once again. So in the B part we can see tick the correct words in the brackets. So here I will just write the answer. So B, one part. She speaks very good English. It will be speaks. Speaks. Number 2. My father teaches me new words. Teaches. Number 3. They make or makes a lot of noise in the class. Make. Number 4. A river flows near our village. It will be flows. Number 4 is a river flows near our village. Number 5, we cross or crosses this river by a boat. It will be cross. Number 6, our parents love or loves us. It will be love. Number 7, the baby drink or drinks milk every day. It will be drinks. Number 8, our school open or opens at 7 in the morning. It will be opens. Number 9, you remember or remembers the phone numbers of your friend. Remember. And number 10, I love or loves to watch cartoon movies on TV. It will be love. Okay. Now I'm turning to the next page, that is 50. I'm erasing the book. Page number 15, C part number 1. It is saying that we need to fill in the blanks with the correct form of the doing words. Okay. Number 1, we dash to places. In the bracket the word is like. It will be like as it is, right? Number 2, Mrs. Menon always dash an umbrella with her. Carry, so it will be carries, right? Carries. Number 3, they dash to God in the morning. In the bracket the word is pray, so it will be pray. Number 4, a cobbler dash our shoes. In the bracket the word is mend. It will be mends, right? Number 5, Nidhi always dash her hands with soap. In the bracket the word is washed, so it will be washes, right? Number 6, dash the car carefully. It will be drives, right? Number 7, the students dash white shirts and white shorts in summer. It will be the students, so it will be wear as it is. Number 8, Mr. Mehta dash vegetables in his kitchen garden. in the bracket the word is grow, so it will be grows, right? Okay, now let's do the next part, that is page number 51. All of you have done? Okay. In D part you can see here it is saying about the Rahul's daily routine in the morning, and here now it is saying to write the Richa's daily routine. So we will write this whole thing in from Richa's point of view. Okay, I have told you already. Now I am repeating once again that if we go to write this from Richa's point of view, we will write like this. As soon as Richa gets up, she says good morning to everybody. She brushes her teeth and takes a bath. She wears her uniform and puts on her shoes. She combs her hair, she takes her breakfast and leaves for school. Okay, that's how it goes. Okay, now come to the E part. Okay, so I'm erasing the board. E part, you can see here it is a story, and we need to fill in the blanks with the correct form of the doing word. A butterfly dash eggs on leaves, lay, so it will be lays, right? Butterfly lays eggs on leaves. These eggs hatch after some time and caterpillars dash out. In the bracket the word is hatch, so it will be hatch again. Hatch after some time, and caterpillars, in the bracket the word is come, so it will be come, because it is saying about the caterpillars that are plural in form, right? These caterpillars dash on leaves and dash bigger, so it will be, in the bracket the word is feed. It is saying about the caterpillars, so it will be feed, and it is saying about grow, so it will be grow bigger. After some time, a caterpillar dashed a hard case for itself. It is now saying about the caterpillar, one. So make, the word will be makes, right? Makes a hard case for itself. It is dash inside the case for a few days. In the bracket the word is stay, and the subject is it, so it will be stays, right? Stays inside this case for a few days. When the hard case dash, in the bracket breaks, so it will be breaks, right? Breaks. A beautiful butterfly dash out. A beautiful butterfly, singular, so it will be comes, right? Comes out. It immediately dash away. It is singular, and the doing word is fly, so it will be flies, right? Flies away. Okay, so this is the chapter is about. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you practice this very well at your home. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye.